Let us next see the lines parallel to the x-axis. Now on the graph paper, plot the following points A, B, C, D, E, F. After plotting these points, we see that the y coordinates of these points A, B, C, D, E, F, they are same, whereas the x coordinates are different. So when you draw a line passing through these points, we see that this line is parallel to the x-axis. Now the y coordinate of every point on this line AD, it is 4. Therefore, the equation of the line AD is equal to y is equal to 4. So thus we have to see that now the distance of this line AD from the x-axis is 4 units. So if you count, it is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units. So thus the equation of the line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 4 units above the x-axis is y is equal to 4. Same way, the equation of the line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 3 units above the x-axis will be x is equal to 3. Now all the points which are lying on the x-axis will have the y coordinate 0. So the equation of the x-axis is y is equal to 0. Now the equation of the line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 2 units below the x-axis, it will pass through the point y is equal to -2 on the y-axis. So equation of this line will be y is equal to -2. So now let us see this. Can we draw a line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 6 units from it and below the x-axis? Now yes, we can draw the line. Now all these points -3, -6, 10, -6, half, -6 will be on that line, and equation of the line will be y equal to -6. Now next we will see the lines parallel to the y-axis. Now on the graph paper, plot the following points P, Q, R, S, T and U. Coordinates of these points, if you see, they are -4, 3, -4, 0, -4, 1, -4, -2, -4, 2, -4, -3. So all these points, they have the x coordinate -4. So the equation of this line PQ or PU, it is written as x is equal to -4. Now distance of this line from the y-axis is 4 units to the left of y-axis. So based on this, we can say equation of the line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 3 units to its left will be x is equal to -3. Now all the points which are there on the y-axis will have the x coordinate 0. So equation of the y-axis will be x is equal to 0. Now all the lines which are parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 2 units to the right is given by x is equal to 2. Equation of the line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of x is equal to 1, at a distance of 1 unit is x is equal to 1. Now we have to draw the graphs of the equation x is equal to 2 and y is equal to -3. Now x is equal to 2 is the line parallel to the y-axis, and it will pass through the point x is equal to 2 on the x-axis, whereas the graph of y is equal to -3 Here that line, it will be parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 3 units below the x-axis. So y is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to 2. These 2 points lines, they intersect at the point P, and coordinates of the point P is 2 minus 3. Now let us see the practice set 7.2. Now on the graph paper, plot the points A30, B30, 33, C303, join the points A, B, C, and what is the figure formed? The figure formed is a triangle. Write the equation of the line parallel to the y-axis at a distance of 7 units from it to its left. So the equation of the line is x is equal to minus 7. Write the equation of the line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 5 units from it and below the x-axis. So equation of the line is y is equal to minus 5. The point Q minus 3 minus 2 lies on a line parallel to the y-axis. So equation of the line will be x is equal to minus 3. X-axis and the line x is equal to minus 4 are parallel lines. What is the distance between them? The distance between them will be 4 units. Write the equation given below having graph parallel to the x-axis and which ones have graphs parallel to the y-axis. So x is equal to 3 and x plus 6 is equal to 0 are parallel to y-axis. On the graph paper, plot the points A, B, C. If those points are collinear, then draw the lines which include them. Write the coordinates at which the line intersects the x-axis and the y-axis. So here this way the lines are drawn, and then you can write down the coordinates of the point of intersection. Now line intersects the x-axis at 5, 0 and y-axis at 0, 5. Now draw the graphs of the following equation on the same system of coordinates. Write the coordinate of their point of intersection. X plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 4. Y minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to 1. 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So, x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1.5. 3y minus 15 equal to 0. So, y is equal to 15 upon 3. Therefore, y is equal to 5. The point of intersection of x is equal to minus 1.5 and y is equal to 5 is minus 1.5 and 5. Write the x and the y coordinate accordingly. The point of intersection of 1.5 and y is equal to 1 is B, that is minus 1.5 and 1. So just write down the value of x and the y in the as a paired coordinate. Then x is point of intersection of x is equal to minus 4, y is equal to 1 is C, minus 1, 4. X is equal to minus 4 and y is equal to 5 is D, minus 4, 5. Now draw the graph of the following equations given below. X plus y equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 minus x. Substitute x is equal to minus 1. You will get y is equal to 3. Substitute x is equal to 0. You will get y is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 1. You will get y is equal to 1. Then 3x minus y equal to 0. So y is equal to 3x. So when x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 3. X is equal to 0, y is also equal to 0. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. Now plot these points and then draw the equations. Now second one is 2x plus y equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 minus 2x. Take the values of x as minus 1, 0, 1. You will get x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. Plot these points. So this way here you will get the graphs of these equations.